Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve three consecutive chords. Problem statement: given an integer array are returned true if there are three consecutive odd number in the array, otherwise return false. For example, in this given array we have 2, 6, 4, 1. We have to return 4. Since we only have one odd number, and here we have three consecutive odd number: 5, 7, 23. So can return true. I would say the problem is straightforward. We can solve it using just by iterating through all the array. So for I in range of, let's have a counter that will keep track of how many we have, how many odd numbers you have counted. So let's say odd counts equal to 0 for I in range of 0. Then and each time increment it by 3. So if num I mod 2 equal to num I plus 1 mod 2 equal to num I plus 2 mod 2. If all of these are equal and which is equal to 1, you return true. So we don't even need a counter. We return true. Once we have and the condition is I plus 3 is less than or equal to the line of nodes. If that condition holds, then we can return true. Else return so you don't need to increment the assignment. So you can enter false. So let's run it and see if it works. Oh, it's R. It's not num. Sorry for the typo. So used to. Then run out of list index out of range. Let's say I was trying. Oh, it has to be less than 1 on I plus 2, I plus 3. Oh, if we go like this. Sorry for all the typos. So it's working for the test case. Let's try. submit. Okay, let's turn equal to. Consider the case where submit. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe.